ask me what चीज़ें थोड़ी updated हैं, so this is मैं इसको solve करती हूँ एक बारी, फिर इसको फिर बता, you can revise it later. पूरा एकदम ऐसा डिटेल Hey guys, welcome back to my channel you all. So in today's video I'm gonna show you all guys how I prepare one night before the exam. So tomorrow I'm gonna be having NBTS, which is basically a practice test for AIATS exam. So right now time is 8:40 and let's start preparing. So these are the chapters which are gonna be there in the test. I've wrote down everything which I need to do in these chapters. So let's complete this all. And before you ask me what kind of software is this, so this is basically Notion and yeah. और ये मेरा Notion सेटअप है जो मैं कभी वीडियो में दिखाया नहीं है, बिकॉज मैं इसको ज़्यादा यूज़ करती ही नहीं हूँ, मतलब खुद 2-3 हफ्ते में एक बार यूज़ कर लेती हूँ, बट इस वीक मैंने यूज़ करा था इसलिए इसमें चीज़ें थोड़ी अपडेटेड हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ इट एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक. दैट इज इट. So yeah, let's just start studying now. Enough of my bakwas. So I'm gonna start with revising chapter number 3 of chemistry, which is basically periodic table. तो वो मैं NCERT से ही रिवाइज करती हूँ, तो मैं यहीं से एक बार NCERT से उसको पढ़ लेती हूँ, और अगर मुझे लगा तो मैं एक बार नोट्स भी रिव्यू कर लूँगी. So let's just start. After that, I was solving few questions from module. So obviously I'm not solving all questions from module. I'm just reviewing the questions which I did wrong, and I've already marked them that I gotta repeat these questions whenever I have test. तो अभी मैं ना ये एक आकाश ने बुक दी थी नो योर NCERT करके, तो मैं इसको सॉल्व करती हूँ एक बारी. कुछ हमारे टीचर ने बोला था कि क्योंकि मॉड्यूल वगैरह हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी 2-3 बार, तो ये भी कर लेना. तो एक बार ट्राई करके देखती हूँ क्या है इसमें. अगर सही लगेगा तो ही नेक्स्ट टेस्ट के लिए करूँगी, अदरवाइज आई वोंट डू इट. क्वेश्चंस ही हैं वैसे तो करती हूँ मैं अभी इसको, फिर बताती हूँ कैसा है. I surprisingly end up liking this book. Actually it contains lines of NCERT and then you have to identify whether it is right or wrong. So it's actually fun to do it, and at the same time it's from the NCERT, so I'm definitely gonna practice it. तो अभी मैंने ये भी कर लिया है एंड ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो चुका है, तो इसको यहाँ से टू डू से डन में डाल देते हैं. और अभी मैं करने लगती हूँ जल्दी से ये बायो के चैप्टर्स रिवाइज करके जल्दी से इनको भी खत्म कर देते हैं. सो नाउ आई एम गोना बी रिवाइजिंग बायोलॉजी फॉर टुमारोज टेस्ट. तो बायोलॉजी रिवाइज करने के लिए वो भी जस्ट एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले आई ऑलवेज प्रीफर टू वॉच दीज वीडियोज. दीज आर फ्रॉम पार्थ गोयल. इट इज फ्रॉम हिज बुक बायोहैक. सो व्हाट इट हैज इज बेसिकली NCERT lines in the form of questions, and you answer that question in your mind and then see it. So it's based on active recall method. It's really great. I really like it, and you can revise it literally in very less time, so you can definitely check it out. So after completing breathing chapter, right now I am trying to complete this body fluid chapter. Let's update the task list now. After that I got a little hungry because I had my dinner pretty early, so I decided to make Maggie, and while I was having my Maggie I was also watching biological classification lecture at the same time. So I really wanted to revise morphology after that, but the thing is that I haven't revised morphology in the past week, so I didn't wanted to jump directly into these short videos for morphology. I wanted to revise my whole notes or read the NCERT. So I was like, let's postpone it for some time and let's complete the other task. तो अभी मैं केमिकल बॉन्डिंग रिवाइज करने लग रही हूँ, तो पूरा एकदम ऐसा डिटेल रिवीजन नहीं कर रही हूँ, जस्ट एक बार ऊपर से देखूंगी क्या है क्या नहीं है, जस्ट एकदम ऐसा क्विकेस्ट रिवीजन। तो मैंने ये नो योर एनसीईआरटी केमिकल बॉन्डिंग चैप्टर के लिए भी करी थी। Let's update the task list once again. And now I'm gonna complete the physics. What I'm doing right now is extremely quick review of the short notes, just reading through it, and I've already revised these short notes so many times. Now I know where what thing is written, so it literally takes around 10 to 15 minutes. फिजिक्स की एनसीईआरटी निकाल के लेकर के आया था मैं। पहली बार फिजिक्स की एनसीईआरटी को नहीं पढ़ते, एकदम नई होगी, बट सर ने बोला था कि एक बार देख लेना, तो एक बार मैं देखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। ये समरी पढ़ने के लिए बोला, तो मैं एक बार समरी पढ़ के देखती हूँ क्या है क्या नहीं है इसमें। समरी और ये पॉइंट्स टू पॉन्डर, तो मैं ये पढ़ के देखती हूँ। I actually read the physics NCERT, just the points to ponder wala part, and there wasn't anything new which I found from there. I think all the things are already mentioned in my notes or in my short notes, so there wasn't anything as such. But you can read it because there might be some direct question from it, and you might remember the exact line. So I don't know whether I'm gonna read it again or not, but yeah. So at this point of time, I actually started to had sore throat, so I didn't wanted to read things by myself. So I actually played this lecture of morphology by Tarun sir, and I was like, I'll just listen to it and then we'll revise it from my notes, and that will be over. But I actually end up sleeping in after half of the lecture was done. So as soon as I woke up, I came directly to my desk and I'm revising morphology from my notes. I could have revised it from the NCERT, but I actually trust my short notes for this chapter because it has a lot of examples and things to remember. So I've wrote down very nicely in my short notes in flowchart kind of form, and it's really helpful in me to remember things. It helps in memorizing if you read one resources n number of times, because I remember reading morphology from these notes, and whenever I forget something, I close my eyes and I try to remember. And what I get to remember is the page, that on this page on the left side here I've written something like that. So I think it helps in memorization if you read one particular resource again and again rather than going on some other resources every time. So yeah. So finally I am done with everything which I could have possibly done. Now let's go for the exam. So now I'm done with the exam and it went well. The fact that the result is already out, I mean, why it has to come so early? Like, at least leave one day so that we can live in peace. It shouldn't be this early, but apparently it came, so I'm gonna check it. So this is the result. You can see the scores on the screen, and now I'm gonna analyze the paper or see where I've did the mistake and all. So let's do that now. Okay, but why I have to do this 9 into 4 is 24 and not 36? I don't know what gets into my head when I'm writing the exam. Like, these stupid mistakes are so bad. And then this one more silly mistake. Basically, I couldn't see the 2 and I marked 200 and the answer is 400 joule. I was so mad at myself for doing such stupid mistakes. So the conclusion is that it's just a practice test and we gotta learn from it and improve it in the next test. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.